Why is crypto up today, May 16, 2025? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, market, journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 15, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market has seen another shift today. Though the market cap is down, most coins have seen their prices increase in a spot-driven rally. The cryptocurrency market capitalization fell 0.9% over the last 24 hours, now standing at $3.45 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $131 billion at the time of writing. TLDR. The market has turned green over the past day, despite the modest drop in the market cap. BTC surpasses the $103,500 level, nearing $104,000, while ETH climbs to $2,600. Anything over $100,000 for BTC is currently a win. Spot ETFs drive today's rally. Spot Bitcoin ETFs record $115 million net inflows. Analysts see a short-term consolidation phase and a medium-term structural bull trend. Beware of medium-term headwinds. Why is crypto up today? Crypto winners and losers. While all top 10 coins recorded price decreases at this time yesterday, only one is in the red now. Namely, XRP fell 2.3% to the price of $2.42. The category's best performers are Ethereum, ETH, and Tron, TRX, which increased by 2.1% each, trading at $2,602 and $0.2757, respectively. Notably, this is ETH's highest point in the last day. After reaching a daily high of $104,273, Bitcoin, BTC, retreated back to $103,928, but it is still up 1.9% in a day. Story, IP, is the highest gainer in the top 100 category, having appreciated 12.8% to $4.97. At the same time, Quant, QNT, fell the most, 3.9% to the price of $93.94. The market has seen a substantial increase in investor interest. According to a recent report by River Financial, companies across various industries have added 157,000 BTC, equivalent to $16 billion, to their balance sheets this year alone. Michael Saylor's strategy, MicroStrategy, accounts for more than 75% of that. One of the latest to announce its Bitcoin accumulation strategy is Chinese consumer company DDC Enterprise. It plans to add 100 BTC to its balance sheet immediately, aiming to accumulate 500 BTC within 6 months and 5,000 BTC within 36 months. Ruslan Lienka, chief of markets at fintech platform Uhodler, commented that the upward momentum in equity markets has moderated after the end of tariff negotiations. Short-term traders began locking in profits, previously triggering short-term corrections. The pullback was a correction within a broader medium-term uptrend. This has now turned upwards. However, ongoing global economic uncertainty and persistently high interest rates in the U.S. may act as headwinds, potentially capping the upside potential of this trend, Lienka says. Anything over $100,000 is a win. James Toledano, chief operating officer at Unity Wallet, notes that BTC seems to be moving in line with market expectations. It has kept a tight trading range near $104,000 over the past week, suggesting a phase of healthy consolidation. Recent dips seem not to be a structural concern but normal market volatility. Anything over $100,000 is a win as we look for stabilization and price support at this level, Toledano says. Furthermore, according to the latest Glassnode report, Since the $75,000 price low in April, Bitcoin markets are experiencing a rally, with sideways accumulation phases between each move higher. Bitcoin's rally to $104,000 seems to be spot-driven, in combination with strong on-chain accumulation and off-chain flows. The demand is primarily via spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and major spot exchanges like Coinbase. Toledano adds that Coinbase inclusion in the S&P 500 affirms that crypto is no longer either peripheral or a financial pariah looked down upon. It is a maturing sector with systemic and growing relevance. This development is expected to drive additional investor inflows. However, the exchange is reportedly facing an investigation by the SEC over the accuracy of its reported user numbers. Additionally, the U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, data from May 13, 2025, suggested cooling of inflation, signaling that the Federal Reserve could announce rate cuts later this year, crypto exchange HTX commented. It warned, however, that a debt ceiling agreement in July or August may lead to a tightening of system liquidity once again, potentially exerting downward pressure on risk assets. The Bitcoin options near-term implied volatility decreased from 65% prior to the CPI release to 58%. This shows expectations of short-term price stability. The ETH options market show a longer-dated bullish structure, with demand for $4,000 to $5,000 call options expiring in December, suggesting institutional investors are positioning early for the next potential rally. Levels and events to watch next. While the macro trend supports long-term bullishness, short-term charts suggest caution. Though BTC managed to move above $103,400, making a bullish turn, there is still a potential for it to turn back and fall as low as $100,700, or below the psychologically important $100,000 level. Per the Glassnode researchers, a key accumulation zone emerged between $93,000 and $95,000. It will likely act as a strong support level should there be a short-term market pullback. It will be a demand zone where investors are likely to see value once again. Moreover, the Fear and Greed Index fell from 71 seen yesterday to 69 today. This suggests increased optimism, confidence, and buying activity. However, it may lead to overconfidence and overvaluation. Meanwhile, U.S.-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $115 million net inflows on Thursday. Yet it's a mixed picture. While BlackRock saw $410 million in inflows, ARK21 shares recorded $132 million in outflows. Per Glassnode, ETF flows show that institutional interest in Bitcoin remains relatively robust, with inflows being of a similar magnitude to those seen during previous market rallies in 2024. Notably, the weekly average net inflows peaked at $389 million a day on April 25. This coincided with the surge in spot-driven buying and supported the rally to $104,000. Inflows have since declined to some $58 million a day. Meanwhile, per HTX in the short term, the high percentage of short-term holders in profit and the concentration of leverage positions imply that any breakout or breakdown of key technical levels could trigger concentrated profit-taking and liquidation cascades, leading to heightened volatility. The overall market structure remains defined by a medium-term structural bull trend, combined with a short-term consolidation phase. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? Both crypto and stock markets are seeing upward movement today, due to institutional interest, policy developments, and investor sentiment. The former seems to be showing more investor enthusiasm. Nonetheless, the S&P 500 is up 0.4% today. The Nasdaq 100 has increased by 0.078%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average has risen by 0.65%. Is this rally sustainable? Continued inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs suggest long-term investor confidence, while long-term holders, LTH, still accumulating is also a bullish signal. Nonetheless, the greed is rising, and BTC is nearing its all-time high, where strong resistance awaits it. The rally may face headwinds if greed rises further, ETF inflows slow, and/or macro conditions shift. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? Price analysis. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. May 4, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 6 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 3 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.